Hello everyone and welcome to Coding with Bharat. So in this lecture, let's learn the four main pillars of the quantum computing. So firstly, what is quantum computing? So quantum computing is a new type of computing that simply uses the principles of quantum mechanics like superposition and entanglement, and they process information in ways that the classical computers cannot. So basically, quantum computers have the highest computational power compared with the classical computers. So now coming to the four main pillars of quantum computing. Coming to the first one, qubits. So quantum computers use qubits, whereas we know classical computers use bits. So in the same way, quantum computers uses qubits, which can be in a superposition. It means they can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously. So this is the speciality of quantum qubits. Now coming to superposition, which is a quantum mechanic principle. So superposition. So in superposition, a qubit can represent multiple states at once by allowing the parallel computation. So it can be 0 or it can be 1, and sometimes it can be both simultaneously. This is called superposition. Now coming to entanglement. So qubits can be linked with each other so that the state of one qubit instantly affects the other qubits even at a distance. So this is called entanglement, which is a quantum mechanic principle. Now coming to the fourth principle, that is interference. So this is the most important one. So basically, quantum algorithms use interference to amplify correct answers and reduce the wrong ones. Hence, these are the four main pillars you should remember while studying quantum computing. Thank you so much for listening.